As the dreaded rebuilding process for the Reggae Boyz continue with that tournament in Austria, again it feels like another round of deja vu. Looking towards the next World Cup qualifying cycle, number 7 since France 1998, again we appear to be following the red print to failure, starting with the cliche about exposing local talent, which nothing is wrong with in principle, but bound by history. What will happen in the next several months is that, like clockwork, we will continue to expose local talent until it gets close to the next World Cup qualifying, when the conclusion will be drawn again. Say, yo, these local players not up to scratch. We cannot take us to the World Cup. And then right on cue, we will go knocking on some English doors, begging some England-born players to come and play for Jamaica. Some will refuse, some will come when the qualifiers start. Some will be committed, some will not be committed. The team will look disjointed and out of sync again. And we will get knocked out of the World Cup again. And then, next cycle, we do it. Again. Bet you, see that. Bet you.